Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to cold wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Kraken wallet, and then you have to click on this double arrow or this action button at the bottom of your screen. After that, this window will open up. From here, you have to select this option withdraw. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the currency that you want to transfer. So I will just select USDT. Then on the screen, you just have to click on this select address option, and then this window will open up where you can see all of your addresses that you already have added in your Kraken. Now to add new address, you need to click on this add wallet address option at the bottom of your screen. Then you need to select the network which you want to use for transferring your Bitcoin or currency. So just select address that you want to use for your network. Then this will give you this option where you can paste the wallet address. So you need to open up your cold wallet. I'm going to use this Tangem wallet, but you can use any wallet that you want. The process of receiving the currency in your cold wallet is similar in all of these wallets. Now first thing you need to do is enable the cryptocurrency that you want to receive in your cold wallet. So you have to click on this menu or this three dot icon at the top of your screen. Then from here you have to select the wallet. Then you will find this option manage token or manage cryptocurrencies. You have to tap on it. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the currency that you want to receive. So I will just use the search bar to search for USDT, and then you have to tap on it. Then you have to enable the network that you want to use to receive your USDT or any cryptocurrency. So I will find the that network and click on this save button after that. Then your select your cryptocurrency will be displayed on your home screen. You just have to tap on it from here, and then you will find this receive button. You have to click on it. Then you will be able to get your QR code and wallet address, and then you just have to click on copy button to copy your wallet address. After that, open up your Kraken wallet, and then your wallet address will be added here after you paste the wallet address in this previous screen where I showed you, and then click on edit. And after you do that, you just have to select the wallet from here, and then enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on review. And once you do that, it will ask you to double check everything. So check your network, wallet address and amount is correct, and then click on transfer. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Kraken to your cold wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.